Good morning, good morning, good morning, good
Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. I'm getting ready to go to work in the next room. And as I was participating in a Zoom meeting last night, I started playing in my hair. And when I'm playing in my hair, I start pulling like right in this section. And I didn't realize that I was taking my twists out. So I'm going to go ahead and take these twists out and see what it looks like. That one wanted to stay together. Must have been listening to some Al Green. Let's stay together. I hear my alarm going off, which means I have 5 more minutes before class begins. And of course, I can't go into class with a half-done head, but what I can do is go into class with a half-done head, because I can loose all my twists in the front and not even have to worry about the back. Can you imagine that? If you notice, I'm not separating all my twists. I'm just taking down the 2 strands. I'm sure I'm going to miss some 2-strand twists in the back, but I'm going to show you what this looks like. I like the fullness and I like the cramps that it shows. And I like the idea that I don't have to do a lot of separating like I did when I was a loose natural and did a 2-strand twist out. So this is what I'm working with today. And I will be feeling in the back of my hair for twists that are still there. And I'll get it done before the day is over. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family, my subscribers, my followers, and I especially love God, because his mercies are new every morning, every morning. Notice this one? Yeah. I'll be taking those out. Have a great day.